Having a passive income ensures more financial freedom and releases you from the traditional workday to provide alternative investment opportunities to make money. In addition to giving your time back, passive income can also help you focus on worthwhile financial goals, such as securing funds for retirement. It also might serve as a good backup income in case you decide to quit or suddenly lose your job. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today, we will discuss what is passive income, how to generate it, and the amazing benefits of passive income. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. What is passive income? Passive income is money that is usually but not always received regularly without any or only little effort. Everyone aspires to generate a passive income so they may retire wealthy and live their life to the fullest. Making money while you sleep is just another fancy term for passive income. By building different sources of passive income, you can earn a good amount of money regularly from work that is already completed, such as royalties from books. However, in order to attain financial independence, you must leverage your time and effort to establish multiple passive income streams that will continue to grow in the future. In other words, you must do something to produce passive income upfront in order to rely on it for years to come. You either have to do much in the beginning to set up your passive income stream, and you regularly have to invest at least a bit of your time, effort, or money to maintain that income. How to make passive income? There are many different ways to build passive income. Here are a few. Number 1. Investing. Whenever someone mentions passive income, there are people who think of investing since it has the potential to produce good results quickly and with little effort. However, passive income and retirement plans shouldn't be considered as being the same. The purpose of making an investment is to ensure there is an income stream during retirement. It's ideal to invest in a retirement scheme if the current fund choice agrees. That way, a person can build a sound plan for retirement, although there are penalties or taxes in case a withdrawal is made before the maturity date. Number 2. Real estate. A smart way to generate passive income once all debts are cleared and there is extra cash is to consider a real estate property for renting out. Before buying property, clear the mortgage and then buy the property with cash. There's no point in seeking debt to finance the purchase of a property. Things become complicated when there is a mortgage to clear and yet a loan was used to buy a property. A rental property is a good source of additional income, although it's one of the most passive sources of income because it will require time and some effort to keep it in good condition. So, a person who opts for real estate must be in control of the property at all times. Number 3. Store to keep people's things. Most people keep many things in their homes, and they are always on the lookout for cheap ways to house them. There's nothing easier than being paid to keep other people's things. However, generating passive income from storing things for people requires a huge initial investment to acquire a storage structure. The alternative is something simple like letting shit at your storage basement. The important thing is ensuring that the things to be stored will be safe every day. Number 4. Digital products. Digital products can be anything, from ebooks and lesson plans to mobile apps. What's key here is that you spend time building them once and then are able to sell the same asset again and again online. You can take a totally passive approach to the digital products you create, or you can devote time and money to marketing them. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. This is one of the more popular strategies in the age of social media and influencers. Companies pay content creators to market their products or services, and creators are paid when their followers click through a link and make a purchase. Number 6. Advertise on your car. You may be able to earn some extra money by simply driving your car around town. Contact a specialized advertising agency, which will evaluate your driving habits, including where you drive and how many miles. If you're a match with one of their advertisers, the agency will wrap your car with the ads at no cost to you. Benefits of earning a passive income. You have more financial stability. Many young people struggle to achieve financial stability. When you have passive income, you can count on earning money without having to work for it. You can meet your goals more easily. That means that you've got more spare cash to put aside into savings to help you save for big purchases such as car, house, or tuition payment. In other words, your passive income helps you meet your goals faster. Some other benefits of passive income are: you have more financial freedom. You gain location independence. You can retire early. You're not reliant on a paycheck. So guys, that was all about today's topic. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.